Today I'm going to share with you the recipe of a healthy salad that's really easy to make, Apple Cabbage Coleslaw. This salad has lots of shredded cabbage, carrot, and I also added some thinly sliced apple pieces that gives it a bright and sweet taste. Traditionally, this recipe calls for a lot of mayonnaise, but we are going to make a healthier version without all the added mayonnaise, but it's going to be as creamy and delicious, don't worry. So let's make this together. Let's take a look at the ingredients first. We need 2 cups of finely shredded green cabbage. I also took 1 cup of finely shredded pretty purple cabbage. Next, I took half an apple that I thinly sliced. As soon as I sliced the apple pieces, I squeezed some lime juice on them to prevent the apple pieces from turning brown due to oxidation. Next, we need 1/4 cup of finely chopped bell pepper or capsicum, half a cup of finely sliced or shredded carrot, 1 tablespoon of finely chopped spring onion greens, 1 teaspoon of fresh lime juice, half a teaspoon of mustard powder, 1/4 teaspoon of powdered black pepper, sugar to taste, and salt to taste. Instead of mayonnaise, we are going to use hung yogurt. Take 1 cup of plain unsweetened yogurt that is not too sour. Hang that in an absorbent cloth for at least 1 hour. Most of the water is absorbed and you will be left with this beautiful creamy yogurt. Beat the yogurt well using a fork till you end up with a beautiful silky glossy texture. Like this. To this, add 1/4 teaspoon of powdered black pepper, half a teaspoon of mustard powder, salt to taste, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of lime juice. If the yogurt is too sour, you can skip the lime juice. 1 tablespoon of chopped spring onion greens. And now give it all a good mix. Set that aside. To a big bowl, add the green cabbage, purple cabbage, sliced apples, carrots, bell pepper. Mix everything well. What a pretty salad, right? Next, add in the yogurt mix. Make sure to add the yogurt just before you're ready to eat the salad. If you add it a lot in advance, the salad is going to get pretty watery. Make sure to take your time and mix in the yogurt really well. Give this a taste and add salt or sugar as needed. That's it, done. You can have the salad as it is or as a side dish to fried fish or chicken. We had it as a side dish to these healthy baked chicken fingers, the recipe of which I posted a couple of weeks ago, and that was a great combination. You can also make a simple and healthy meal out of it by making an apple coleslaw pasta or an apple coleslaw sandwich. For the sandwich, you just need some salad and 2 slices of bread. If you want, you can add some cheese, but it's actually delicious just like that. For the pasta, here I have some boiled macaroni that I coated with olive oil and sprinkled some salt. Add an equal amount of the salad. Give it a good mix. And done! Hope you enjoyed my recipe. If yes, do share it with your friends. If you're on Pinterest, Facebook, Instagram or Twitter, do follow me. And for written recipes, do visit my blog. All the links are in the description. If you haven't already, do check out some of the other recipes on my channel and consider subscribing if you like them. I post exciting recipes every week. Alright then, see you next time. Bye-bye.